So hello guys, and this time this is about this ATEM Mini again, and as you see I have some cables here, and the thing is that you see they are connected here and the signal is going through. You see this is a channel 4 preview, so it's all right, and there are two HDMI cables connected. So the interesting part is this is connected by this HDMI booster, repeater, or whatever you call it. It's quite cheap, about $5, something like that. And for example, if you put some just basic, this is like totally basic like a extender, and when you put it together, see you have no signal here, everything disappeared. But when you're using this, remember to use correct direction, otherwise there won't be any signal. As I did just right now, output, input, and you see the signal just came back on. This is my little revelation about ATEM Mini. So if you want to extend your cables, and for me example this is at least 6 meters, and actually I've as well extended this to 10 meters and etc., and I did this with different kind of cables. You can do it just by buying one of these cheap HDMI boosters. I've seen that you can use some sort of splitters and use them to boost your voltage in the cable, but in my case I kind of tested this out, it didn't work. And then first, it does not require additional electricity. Second, it's really small and easy to use. And the third, yeah, it's also very cheap considering that you have to spend less than $5 for such a little piece, and you can buy about 3 or 4 of those. And I actually did this like that. Well, we can try out and see if I can connect even more than just 3 cables and make this even longer than 10 meters. So right now actually connected this. This is a 5 meters long cable, and we will just try to connect 3 of these together using 2 HDMI boosters, and we'll see if it will work out. So this is let's connect this one. This was like in that end before. As you see, even more than 9 meters it's possible to actually manage this. So this goes like here. Behind this there is the cable. It's kind of little bit hidden behind there. It goes around here, then it connects like here. This is some sort of 5 meters, I think. Then this is, I think it was like 3 meters or something like that. Goes here, and these are another 3 or 5 meters. Anyway, together more than 10 meters. And as you see, there are no problems. And sometimes you can see some glitches and blackouts, but not for this case. And then, yeah, I also can suggest you this in case if you're having your shot there and you're seeing that it's blinking black and like a picture, black and picture. This actually as well kind of boosts the signal and smooths out this, and there is no problems with that. So if you're wondering how to manage the problems with your ATEM Mini and then want to just connect longer cables, well, this is cheap, easy solution. Thank you for watching and goodbye. The thing is that I want to open and see what's inside. As you see, not much there. 2 chips. That's about it.